shaving bowl be sexy? Let's find out. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm going to talk about, in my opinion, a best-in-class little soap bowl for holding your shaving soap puck. It's made by Müller, and here's a look at it. Made in Germany by Müller. It's a porcelain bowl, but it's like a matte satin, not even brushed, but just a beautiful finish that feels great in the hand. It's easy to grip, even with soapy fingers. It's not a slippery material at all. You can see that the bottom is also nicely designed. Six-sided, it's got 6 sides to it, so that enables you to grip it even easier from any direction. Any way you pick it up, you can grip it. You're not going to drop this thing. And it's the perfect size to accept the Müller soap pucks. They come in sandalwood, aloe vera, and sea buckthorn, I think is the other one. We carry all 3. We carry all these if you want to pick them up. ShaveNation.com. Let's open this and take a look. Here's their puck. It's got the logo on there, the Müller logo. But here you go. You can just drop it right in, and once you use it once or twice, it will liquefy and get solidify, and then it'll lock itself in place inside here. And if you have a bigger puck, you can always shave it down, or you can melt it down. And you can probably melt it down right in this bowl since it's porcelain in the microwave, not metal. You can use this to melt the puck right directly into it. I have a video on that as well. I'll put a link there. One for shaving the puck and one for melting it down. Put those up there so you can check those out too. So again, just fits in there perfectly, feels great in the hand. And there's also, it says Müller right here on the side. And then it looks like here it looks to me like it's longitude and latitude right there. Who knows what that is? Maybe it's the Müller factory in Germany. Not sure. Possibly where these are made. If you know, tell me. Or maybe Müller can tell me. I haven't researched that, but maybe I should have done that before I started this. But maybe you guys can tell me. Or if I find out, I'll post it up there. So there you go. The Müller puck in the Müller bowl, little soap bowl. To use it, all you do is remove it from the wrapper, soak it with some hot water, grab your brush, swirl, and then face lather. That's it, nice and easy. That's what these are made for. And then you can leave the puck in here. So this will be at the ready whenever you want to get your shave on. You just grab your little ceramic bowl, grab your brush, swirl up, load the tips, and lather up, and rock and roll with your shave. This Colonel Conch soap, you can melt this down in the microwave. Just remove it from the plastic, drop it right in there, and then go maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds in the microwave, and it will melt down and conform to the exact shape of this bowl, which is pretty sweet. Every time you come in the bathroom, you want to get your shave on, you just grab your brush, swirl the tips, load the tips with soap, and then face lather, and you're all set, ready to rock and roll with your shave. So just my opinion, there's not a lot of shaving soap puck bowls that are designed for pucks specifically, but this one, it's got to be the best one. It's a beauty. If you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab it right there, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, and it'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there, and then click that bell icon, ring that bell, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Well, what do you think? Sexy or not? Comment down below. Let me know. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.